brand new Can-Ams and Ostacruiser.
Yay! That's good enough. That's
So
good. We'll take it. Yeah, I need to do some punch dancing.
It's time for a RipSesh.
So we're out here at the local mud park. We got the man, the myth, the legend, Ostacruiser out here in Louisiana to ride. Brand new bikes, never been ridden. Public hadn't seen them.
Am I even supposed to be shooting video of this? We're just gonna do a quick little walk around before anyone realizes what we're doing. Posted, hashtag first.
Look at what he's doing. Why are you whispering?
So all we do is show up out here and there's two brand new 2021 XMR 1000s. One Renegade, one Outlander. They should know better than to give me and Ostacruiser some brand new rentals. Dave, hit it with your purse this time.
So on my Renegade, you have the QE Visco-4lok, which takes a couple tire rotations to kick in. For 2021, they introduce a full-on selectable locker. It's awesome. It works really good.
What I'm most excited about is these new quads have the brand new Visco-4lok, which basically means this thing's got a factory locker in the front end. They will go absolutely anywhere with a full locker up front.
Okay, we're ready. We got paramedics on standby. We got.
I like that you get a real positive feedback when you know it engages.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't want to trail ride like that. No. You know that tire is pulling that's on the ground.
And as soon as you unlock it, it's unlocked and the steering's just back to easy.
See these calluses on these hands? That means we had a good day of riding and I am done. So another wild day out here testing the brand new 2021 Can-Ams, not even out yet.
I was like legit, like had a smile on the whole day today.
Me and the wild man from Canada, David Ostacruiser, out here tearing things up.